Hi, in my earlier video, you saw few shapes like triangle, rectangle, square and circle. These shapes are called as two-dimensional or 2D shapes because you can draw these shapes on a paper. Two-dimensional shapes have sides and corners, and these shapes are completely flat. In this video, I will show you few three-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. These shapes have sides, corners and edges. These shapes are solid shapes like a ball, water bottle, candle and so on. For class 1 students, it is important that they know name of these shapes. You will learn more details about these shapes in class 2. In class 2, you will learn how to count number of sides, corners and edges in these shapes. Okay? At the end of this video, I will also show you an app on which you can draw various three-dimensional shapes. Okay? I will show you few three-dimensional shapes first. First, we have this shape. This is a cube. All sides or faces of a cube are equal. This is a solid shape. Can you think of an example of a cube? Yes, a dice, which you can use to play Ludo and other games. Okay? I will show few more three-dimensional pictures. This time we have this shape. The shape is called as cuboid. A juice packet is an example of cuboid. Okay? After that we have this figure. You can identify this figure. This is a sphere. Don't get confused here with a circle. A circle is a flat figure, but a sphere is a solid figure. A ball is an example of sphere. After that, we have this shape. I am sure you have seen this picture somewhere. This shape is called as cone. An example of this is an ice cream cone. Let us explore few more shapes. This time we have this shape. This is a cylinder shape. A juice can is a perfect example of a cylinder shape. Okay? After this, have you seen this shape before? This is pyramid shape. We also call it square pyramid. We have very good examples of pyramids. There are real pyramids in Egypt. When you plan to travel Egypt, then you must see big pyramids. Okay? Now I will show you an app where you can draw these shapes. This app is Paint 3D. It is available in Windows 10. This is how Paint 3D looks like. At the top navigation, you have options to select between 2D and 3D shapes. I will click on 3D shapes. Once you click on the 3D shapes icon, see here on the right hand navigation. Here, click on this cube symbol. Then you will see few 3D shapes you can choose from. Okay, I will click on this cube icon. After clicking on the cube icon, I will single click on the drawing area. And here you see a cube. Here we have few buttons to interact with this cube. For example, on the right hand side, we see one rotate button. Using this button, we can rotate the cube in up and down direction or in vertical direction. I will click and hold this button, then move this button in up and down direction, something like this. Okay, there is a rotate button at bottom of the cube also. Using this button, we can rotate the cube in left and right direction or in the horizontal direction. I will click and hold this button and scroll it in left and right direction, something like this. And there is a button at top of the cube as well. Using this button, we can move the cube in any angle, something like this. Okay, try to play with these buttons and you will see other sides of the cube as well. You see here at bottom left there is one small square icon. We can use this icon to resize the cube. I will make this cube smaller and drag it at the top right side of the drawing area. Okay, let us take one more shape. I will change color. On the right hand side, you can click on this color button to select a different color. I think green will be good. Okay, now I will click on this cube icon. This time I will draw a cylinder. I will click on the cylinder shape, then click on the drawing area to draw it. Here we have a cylinder. We can rotate this cylinder in vertical direction by clicking this rotate button on the right hand side of the cylinder. And we can rotate this cylinder in the horizontal direction by clicking and holding this rotate button at bottom of the cylinder. Also, rotate this cylinder in any angle by clicking and holding this button at top of the cylinder. So this way we can see all the sides of a cylinder. Okay, let us take one more shape. I will change the color. This red looks okay. Now I will select square pyramid and click on the drawing area. Here we have a square pyramid. You can use rotate buttons to see other sides of the pyramid and use angle button to move this pyramid in any angle. Okay, like this you can draw many 3D shapes using Paint 3D app. Initially you can try this app with the help of your parents. Okay, now I will go back to my slides. Here I will show you few objects and you need to identify its correct shape. Okay, first we have this small block of ice. You can identify which shape is it. You just learnt it's a cube. After that we have this shape. I'm sure you remember this. You can see this kind of shapes in Egypt. This is pyramid shape. After that we have this wood plank. This is a cuboid shape. Next we have a tree trunk. This is a cylinder shape. Then we have a road safety cone. As I already told, this is a cone shape. After that we have moon. Can you identify which shape is it? Yes, this is a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Okay, hope you liked this video. Please look around yourself to see more shapes and try to identify them. I will see you again with more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.